Resveratrol is the kind of molecule that makes you raise your eyebrows and wonder, wait, this comes from grapes. Yes, it's the same plant compound found in grape skins, red wine, and a handful of berries that's been making waves not just in health magazines, but in serious aging research circles. While it may sound like a trendy buzzword, resveratrol is more like a molecular impersonator. Specifically, it pretends to your cells that you've been fasting, working out, and generally living like a monk on a mountain. But instead of calorie deprivation, you get the same benefits from a compound that hides in your fruit bowl. The main act here is SIRT1, a member of the sirtuin family of proteins, which are essentially your cell's longevity managers. Sirtuins regulate DNA repair, inflammation, metabolism, and mitochondrial function, and they're particularly known for being activated during calorie restriction. When food is scarce, sirtuins kick into gear to preserve resources, optimize cell function, and enhance genomic survival under stress. Resveratrol steps in as a caloric restriction mimetic. It fools the cell into thinking it's under mild energetic stress, and as a result, SIRT1 gets turned on without you having to skip dinner. Once activated, SIRT1 performs several life-extending magic tricks. It deacetylates key transcription factors like PGC, 1A, FOXO, and P53, all of which regulate oxidative stress defenses, DNA repair, and cellular metabolism. This results in better mitochondrial performance, improved energy efficiency, and a calm, collected response to genotoxic stress. Basically, SIRT1 says, "Don't panic," and your mitochondria reply, "We got this." The result is less DNA damage, fewer mutations, and a more stable genome even in the face of aging-related wear and tear. And speaking of mitochondria, resveratrol doesn't just help them survive, it helps them thrive. Through its activation of PGC-1A, it promotes mitochondrial biogenesis, the process of building new mitochondria. This is crucial because over time, your mitochondria get a little tired and damaged, much like your motivation to do anything after 10 p.m. More fresh mitochondria mean better cellular respiration, less oxidative spillover, and more resilience in tissues like the brain, heart, and muscles, all the places you really don't want falling apart early. Resveratrol also plays a role in DNA preservation by helping maintain telomere length, reducing oxidative base damage, and encouraging the expression of DNA repair enzymes. When combined with its anti-inflammatory effects, largely via suppression of NF-B signaling, it creates a cellular environment that's calmer, cleaner, and far more capable of long-term maintenance. It's not immortality, but it's pretty close to a cellular spa day. What's wild is that this molecule is naturally produced by plants as a defense mechanism against environmental stressors like UV light and fungal infection. So essentially, the plant experiences stress, makes resveratrol, and then we consume that compound and inherit its stress-adaptive benefits. It's like botanical wisdom passed on in molecular form, and it's delicious if consumed via wine, though let's be honest, you'll need a few dozen bottles a day to hit those therapeutic doses, not recommended. But supplements and concentrated extracts aside, the bigger picture is that resveratrol has become a model for how plant-based compounds can interface directly with the body's most ancient survival pathways. It's not just a trend, it's a glimpse into how deeply diet can influence longevity genes and cellular aging processes. Whether you're consuming it through grapes, wine, or a capsule, resveratrol is quietly lighting up the circuits that help you stay functional, energetic, and a bit more time-resistant. So while resveratrol won't stop time, it certainly makes your cells better at living in it. It's the grapevine's final gift, a natural, plant-based molecule that pushes your genome toward stability, your mitochondria toward vitality, and your aging process just a little more gracefully down the road.